Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dom. I want to thank you for tuning in and watch this quick tip about the SQ series. Let's jump on the tip of the day.
So guys, I want to show you different setting that you can use on 𝐤𝐤𝐬𝐬. So as always, select your channel, go on routing, and on here on the top you will see 𝐤𝐤𝐬𝐬. Okay, when you press in here you will end up to go on this window. I'm going to show you the different kind of setting that you can use for each 𝐤𝐤𝐬. So the first one is the post preamp. What means that the signal is affected only by the preamp gain. After we have got the post insert return, it means that the signal is also affected by the HPF gate and the insert that you have got on the channel. There is the post PEQ. That means that the signal is also affected by the PEQ. And after you have got the post delay, it means that the signal is affected by all channel processing included the delay. This means the delay that you have got on the single channel, just to make sure. Okay, and after you can assign these to all on, all off. Okay, and you can set up them all pre or all post. It's up to you. You select the channel and you choose what you want to do for each channel. As you can see here, if I select 𝐤𝐤𝐬𝐬, I'm gonna put this on all on and all pre, and maybe, I don't know, on post preamp. On channel 3 will be totally different. Okay, if I want this the same as that one, I want this one is like post insert, I can do this, and this will be totally different. That's different setting that you can use, and just remember that these are different for each 𝐤𝐤𝐬, so you can choose which kind of setting do you want for each 𝐤𝐤𝐬. So it's quite easy to patch your 𝐤𝐤𝐬 on your desk. So what you need to do, you need to go on IO patch, output, mix output, and after in here local will be your local output. As you can see in here is already everything patched, but let's clear this out. So what you need to do, let's say that you want to patch 𝐤𝐤1, 𝐤𝐤2, 𝐤𝐤3, and let's say that you want to patch your left and right to 11 and 12. What you do 11 and 12. If you want to patch your matrix to number 10, because I don't know, you want to use mono matrix, you just patch this one on number 10. And the same things if you have got a DX port, would be the same things if you want to send the 𝐤𝐤1 to the 𝐤𝐤1 of your DX. If you go on local, it's still patched behind your desk. So what is happening in this case? You are sending the signal in 3 different way, in 3 different position. If you want to do 3 different position, it's up to you. You can use this for all the need, and yeah, that's it, how you patch. The same thing is working for the USB. If you want to use your USB drive on USB-B, so it's quite easy. Everything you want to patch is from this side to this side. So 𝐤𝐤1 is from your desk to the 𝐤𝐤𝐬 of your local output.
Thank you for watching guys. Please like and subscribe if you find the video useful. Just remember that these are all tips basic for a new user of SQ series. If you want to see more stuff in depth, I've got quite a lot of stuff on my channel and I'm recording every day new stuff. So if you are interested, just subscribe to the channel so you will be updated with all my new videos. Thank you.